Hi guys, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English, BDNP. In the last class, we looked at the expression be used to, which is used when one is accustomed to doing something. Today, we are going to look at used to. The expression used to. What is used to? We use used to talk about a past situation that is no longer true. It tells us that there was a repeated action in the past which has now totally changed. The structure for this type of sentence in Nigerian Pidgin English is the subject plus being plus they plus used to plus verb plus complement. That is huge, isn't it? For example, I've been they used to smoke before, but I know they smoke anymore. Let's look at complete sentences in the affirmative, negative, and question forms so that you would grab what I'm trying to say and be able to form your own sentences. We're going to start with the affirmative form like we normally do. Before we start with the affirmative sentences, let's look at the structure once again. So the structure is the subject plus being plus they plus used to plus verb plus complement. Now, let's look at complete examples in the affirmative. We been they used to watch film for that cinema. She been they used to swim here. Our teachers been they used to flog shege for our body. Now, let's go to the negative sentences. But for us to do that, let's look at the negative word order. We start with the subject plus being plus know plus they plus used to, plus verb, plus complement. Example, she be know they used to like chocolate, but she like am now. I be know they used to want get big house. He be know they used to they shy. Now let's look at the question form. The question structure is subject plus being plus they plus used to plus verb plus complement, then the question mark. And these are examples in the question form. You been they used to teach. He been they used to get beer. You been they used to live here. Guys, we've come to the end of yet another class. In our next classes, we're going to give it a little twist where we're going to look at slang in Nigerian Pidgin English. It's going to be packed with lots of new words, so make sure you don't miss it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked here on Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name remains Pafo. See you guys in the next lesson. Peace is in.